What's up guys? Welcome to today's video. I hope you guys are all doing good. I hope you guys are all well. Today's video, again, we haven't got too much to really do. We're just chilling out at the moment. Sunday, we get the wagon back. The wagon will be back in here and we are going to start tearing it all down. So you guys will get to see nitty and gritty what's freaking destroyed and what's not destroyed. And we'll be able to see what we can save for the next car. Now, the next car, we are freaking so excited to be able to tell you that we have another VE wagon shell. We will be taking a wagon to Summon S34, and it is all thanks to you guys. Now, I want to give a massive shout out to the guy that is helping us out with this shell. I have to talk to him obviously first if he's happy to be on camera and or if he wants to be mentioned or anything like that. Now, pretty much the main things that we know about this wagon was it was a donor car for what was going to be a show car anyways, and it was just sitting in his paddock and his farm. So we have pretty much an entire VE wagon shell that is the exact same color as the original wagon. It's Karma Blue. It has the passenger side doors, which we don't have because they were smashed off when the car flipped on its side, and we have the driver's side doors. So we're gonna be able to use the doors from the old wagon on the new wagon. Now, from pretty much what I've seen all of you guys talking about, you all wanna see it go, well, most of you at least, wanna see it go back to the original red. Now, I think I really want it to go that red as well, the red that's on the butterflies here, mainly because, especially since we were lucky enough to get a wagon, we need to finish the dream. We need to get it there the way it was meant to be from the get-go. As far as I'm concerned, I would love to go that red again, but again, I'm happy to change it if that's what you guys want. So at the end of this video, jump over onto the Instagram, which is just here. There's going to be a poll on the story. That's whether we make the new wagon red, the same red, or we change the color. So make sure if you wanna get your say in and you wanna see what the next wagon's gonna be, make sure you jump over there and vote. And I want every one of yous over there to vote so we can see what you guys think. So yeah, as soon as we've pretty much got the other wagon here, the old one, so we can strip it out and see what parts we still have, then we can scrap the shell, because the shell itself is completely ruined, never to be used again. Then we'll bring the new wagon in and we'll start changing it all over and smashing it out and smashing it, getting it underway. And thanks to you guys, we're actually gonna be able to make this happen, because even if we transferred everything over that we've got, without the help that you guys have given us and the support you guys have shown, it literally would not be possible that we'd be able to finish the wagon in time to get it to Summon Hats. So a huge thank you to you guys. I cannot thank you guys enough, especially with the stickers as well. You guys have blown up the stickers. We've tried to put a couple extra on the website, but at the moment we're still so far behind. We don't want to restock everything and get further behind. I think we're almost 100 orders behind at the moment, but at the time of this video going up, Friday at 6 p.m., all of the stickers will be sent out by Monday's video. So on Monday, all of the stickers will be sent out. I guarantee you that. And for those legends that donated through the website as well, not only a handwritten note, you're gonna get something a little bit extra as well to make it worth your while kind of thing, because you guys are freaking legends. So when you receive those orders, there will be something in there along with it, and you'll be able to use that in the future for something we're planning on that will happen really soon. Alrighty, so what I was planning on doing today was I was going to start attacking the carbon fiber injector hat, start sanding it back and polishing it and everything. I've kind of run out of time because we've been dedicating so much time to smashing out all these stickers orders. I'll actually go up and show you in a second how many we've done. It's nuts. But yeah, like I'm really keen to start wet sanding and polishing this. And last night I was at my dad's place, and he is at the moment, he is wet sanding and polishing his Camaro. So he's got some insane tools and everything. So I'll end up taking this over to his house so that he can show me a thing or two and teach me how to do it properly, so I don't end up ruining it, like kind of thing. He knows what he's doing. So we'll probably get up to a 4,000 grit sandpaper, and he's got some really good polishing compounds. So we'll be able to make this thing freaking glassy and it'll look mint. But until then, pretty much this is all just gonna sit here until we've got everything back again. Most of this stuff will get chucked on the engine when it's out. Now that we're actually going to have the engine out of the wagon, we'll chuck it on an engine stand. We might paint it black the same as this. I want to leave a stock bottom end because half the fun of this build and the budget that we're sticking to is keeping a stock bottom end, an unopened bottom end. So we're going to have as much fun with that as possible, because I've seen people, especially some of the guys in the Burnout Masters that you wouldn't think it, they're cranking at least 1,000 horsepower out of a stock bottom end L98. So I don't know how long it's gonna last. I've been told with a lot of freaking smashing and being on limited freaking all day, all night, I'm told we can get around 12 months out of it. So I am freaking keen to see if that's true or not, so we're gonna leave that stock bottom end even though we're pulling the engine out. But still, all the goodies that we're gonna be putting alongside it, all the supporting mods, they're all gonna be top shelf kind of things. And then along with like good oil pump and good cooling, it should be fine. But since we're pulling it all out, we'll give it all a good clean. It'll be a lot easier to do all the work that we need to do to it. And then hopefully once all of that stuff's kind of done, then we'll dump it back into the new car. But yeah, I did see that a bunch of you are saying that we should leave the battle scars, the war wounds on the blower and stuff like that. And I agree, but I'm in two minds, because for the people that know, it's going to be sick because they're battle scars and it looks wicked. But for the people that don't know, they're just going to think I did a really shitty job of painting it all. So I really don't know what I should do. I do really want to leave them, but at the same time, I don't want to leave them. Although I guess at least all of you guys know that they're all battle scars and they're there for a reason. Like I said, I will paint just the face of the cogs just to make them look a bit better. But I might leave the rest of them and keep it as battle wounds, battle scars. Oh, as well, quickly, I just thought of this too. The wagon that we're getting doesn't have a front end, which is fine because I will do whatever it takes in my power to put another VF front end on the wagon, because that's exactly the way that it was originally. And that's the dream that we've got. That's the dream that we're going to push, and we're going to smash it and get that running. So if any of you guys know any wreckers, or if you're wrecking, I don't know, any type of VF kind of thing, an SS, an SV6, even if you've got a HSV or anything, we're not asking for anything free. We're willing to buy stuff, but it's just, I'd rather reach out to you guys. I want to have like you guys to be able to say that you helped to like put parts on the car. So if any of you guys out there have any connections or know anyone that's got like kits laying around or wrecking cars or anything like that, make sure you hit us up, because you know we need a lot of freaking parts. But yeah, I'll stop talking you guys' ears off now. We'll go upstairs. We'll go see what Indy's doing, because she's pumping out some orders right now. And we'll go see how many stickers we're up to. Okay, now it's a bit messy in here because we've just been going freaking nuts lately, but these ones are already finished. So I got Indy waiting these ones, which is probably the hardest process of all. We literally have to go in there, and I'm just going to get in your way right here.
I can see.
We literally have to pull out every tiny little bit in between every letter. And we've done, today alone, all of these, all of these, all of these, freaking hundreds of them. And we've got all the stickers there, more stickers there, a couple over here, a couple rolls of vinyl back here. So we use this one to go through all the orders. This one to sync to the machine to cut. And yeah, I'm pretty sure this one's just come off. But yeah, we should be on top of all the orders by today. So all of these will be gone by Monday. I know a lot of people ask for like a silver chrome, and we do have it, but it's just, it doesn't like to work with any of the backing paper that we've got. I really don't know why. So we are trying to figure that out so we can put that on the website, and hopefully we'll have them out soon. We do have a little bit of gold chrome left too. I didn't know that. That's cool. We've also bought a bit of white vinyl because I'm going to be making some things with that as well. Let us know if you want any white stickers or anything. I know a couple of people mentioned it in the past, but if you want white stickers, make sure you let us know in the comments down below, because I'm thinking of starting to make them. Alrighty guys, well that may as well be where we ended up today. Like I said, in the next video, we will have the wagon to play with and rip apart and look at all the damage that we ended up doing, because we did a pretty damn good job of it. Alright, so yeah, like I said as well, if you guys know anyone that's wrecking a VF of any type and they've got front ends or anything like that, we're happy to buy them. So definitely send them our way. Hit us up on Instagram, hit us up on Facebook, hit us up on anything. Even drop a comment down below. Alrighty guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys in Monday's video, 6 p.m. Be there or be square. Thank you very much for all your support, guys. We truly love it. Alrighty guys. Peace.
I've been there thugging, you bitching and bugging, there's nothing that we got in common. I've been out grinding and hustling, investing this paper, got tired of eating that ramen. All of my music be heat, I ain't missing a beat, I've been blessed with impeccable timing. Watch all them people who friendly, it turn into envy whenever they see that you shining. Okay,